What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to premiere one of your videos on YouTube. And this is the reason why I haven't been uploading on YouTube, because I have my phone. So yeah, that's all I want to tell you. But I am going to start uploading more. So my laptop is now back working, and yeah. So let's get into the video. Okay, so just go to YouTube, and now what you want to do is, you see this right here, create a video post, click on it, and select upload video, not go live, because that's not gonna work. So just click upload video, and now click on this right here and go to schedule and click it. Now I don't have a video on here to put in there, but yeah. I'm just gonna okay, so just pick something to upload it on. I don't have any videos. That is, and now you'll be on the screen. You just want to click premiere and the date you want to put it on. Why did it? I don't know. Guys, hold on, because I have to fix this. So guys, I'm back, and yes, I was listening to this, but I was listening to it to upload it, re-upload it, and this is not my song. Make sure it's on scheduled and upload it wherever you have it, but that's not the thing. So there we go. I finally have the video, and yes. So there you go. What? The video was rejected? What? This is not my video. What? It's copyright. You know what? No copyright music, guys. Peace. Like. So guys, once you have your video, this video is gonna be long, but I have to hurry up with this video because yeah, so you're on schedule and get the file that you have for video. And now just do that. So, and click Premiere and put it on the scheduled date that I'm gonna put it at 10 o'clock p.m. because it's 9:30 and yeah. Cause I'm done now. It's not working. Basically guys, once you have it, just click Premiere on Thursday, May 16th, 2019 at 10 p.m. Whatever. It's still processing. And it will be published on Thursday, May 16th, 2019, and yeah. Or 2020. And yes. So that's how you do it. Now just look on your channel. And this is the end of this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Don't have to comment, I'm not forcing you to, but you have to subscribe. Please subscribe. I just want you to subscribe and like. You can comment if you want. Yeah. And here it goes. The premiere. This is my first time ever premiere something in this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to delete that because it's not working right. But here goes the featured channels, PewDiePie and Koi, as you can see. But make sure you subscribe. Yeah. Here's the premiere. Premieres tomorrow at 10 o'clock. I don't know why, but yeah. Peace. This is the end of this YouTube video. And I don't know why this is my background, but I was just watching that and this is where it came from. But yeah, peace out. Subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to do a prank, a real prank that has many reactions. That's a reaction that, any kind of reaction. So yeah. Peace.